Hello everybody, this is Sasha Monique Talks. I'm here with the wig review. So I've decided to get a wig that's a little bit different. It's still kind of in the same family of wigs that I wear. It's called the Butterfly World Finest Quality Wigs. Okay. The style is Eco-D. Eco-D, and the color is number 2. So let me see if this, I think this is, I don't know if I can use the hair curlers and stuff on this is showing. Hair curlers. Okay, it's saying that it's safe, but I don't know. So I'm going to open it now. This wig was $20 at my local beauty supply. On the back it's saying don't use curling irons. I don't know what to keep this. So anyway, let me go on with this. Take that off. This one I think is a little longer than the wigs that I wear. I'm gonna cut this tag off. Hate to do that. I forgot they don't exchange wigs. So I'm going to come back. I'm gonna have the wig on my head and show you a little bit about this wig. So y'all, I like this wig, but it's a little too curly. So I'm going to take a little bit hair off. I'm going to cut it a little bit. You always want to cut the wig on the slant. You don't want it to be looking too perfect. I'll get to the back off camera. See, it's coming along a little bit better there. A little bit better. Let's see about this bang. Here. So I needed a bit of a change, but I didn't want to go all out, and I saw some wigs that I liked, but I was scared to try it because some places are still not letting you try on wigs, and I'm saying to myself, if you can't try it on, you might as well be ordering online. Wigs online, because if you can't try it, especially if you're going to order online, you're going to get a better price. But then there's a place that I order sometimes, and they come out a little cheaper than my regular store. My little store that I used to go to, their wigs used to be so reasonable. But I think when the pandemic happened, a lot of those stores, it took them a long time to come back. When they finally came back, everybody was so happy. But they could have done better if they had taken their little store and opened up a little small website. And I hope if anything happened that they will do that. So this is what this wig is looking like, y'all. That's what it looks like. It's sort of the girl next door wigs. Somebody probably saying, what the heck is a girl next door? And why you got the kitchen shears? I could not find my regular scissors, y'all. I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna put a little bit of gel or something on my hair to try to calm the curls down a little bit more. So I am back with the Lusty Professional Hairstyling Gel. Got hair on my mouth. And I got this from this Ultra Hold. Got this from the beauty supply a while back. I'm gonna take a little bit. Can I get this wig to look a little bit better? Now, if this doesn't help, it is what it is. It did bring a little bit more moisture to the wig. Yes, it is what it is. I need to get myself a lace front, but I don't like baby hairs for me. Or I like it on other people, I do. But being that I'm an older woman, I'm like, baby hairs? No baby hairs for me. I even see other older women look good in it. It's just not for me. So I tried some on before, and I'm like, girl, you're not a baby, but your old self. Take that stuff off, and take it off right now. Take it off right now. Did y'all repeat it with me? Hope you did. So this is what it is. This is what it is right now. So this is the finished result. I'm gonna rate this wig as a 7. From 1 to 10, this is a 7. It's an easy wig. It's an easy wig to wear. I don't like this cone shape up here. Trying to relax that and relax some of these curls, but eventually they'll calm down some. This is the back of it. So again, this is the Butterfly company. The world's finest quality wigs. If I can find a link for this wig, I will leave it below, okay? But thank you so much for watching. And please subscribe, please comment, please share, and please like, okay? Talk to you again soon.